Hey, have you ever visited a website and felt lost? Well, your users might feel the same, and it can be a deal breaker. A simple welcome pop-up that greets the user with welcome message makes all the difference. So today, I'll show you the best way to make a welcome pop-up for your website using FormyChat. Let's dive in. From the FormyChat dashboard, you'll have the full control to either refresh an existing widget or design a brand new one from scratch. For this tutorial, we are diving into something exciting, editing an existing widget to create a standout welcome pop-up. Start by hitting Edit Widget. Then go to the Greetings tab. Make sure to turn on the Display Greeting pop-up feature to instantly engage your visitors. Now let's bring your greeting to life. Pick a template that fits your site's vibe. Then move on to crafting an attention-grabbing header. Select the perfect size to make it pop, and follow it up with a personalized message that feels warm and exciting. You can go even the extra mile by customizing the font style to match your branding. How awesome is that? And just like that, your beautifully designed welcome pop-up is ready to greet your visitor the moment they arrive. Clean, simple, and super effective.